We're going on an adventure.
All right, it's super duper early in the morning. It's 6:03. We're 3 minutes past time to leave. And it's super dark because we are getting an early start. We have to go through a high congestion zone to get to BWI. But yep, we're on our way. Alright, so we made it through security, although we did get held up a little bit because one of my bags was, one of my battery packs was suspicious in my backpack, so. We are now in the boarding area, and we got about an hour to kill, so we're just going to hang out here and just kind of relax. Alright, see you on the plane. Alright, so we're on the plane. We got on the very first seats. That means we got no tray table, but that also means we'll be the first ones off to go catch our connecting flight.
Welcome to Chicago Midway Airport.
Chicago Midway is a boring airport.
They wouldn't toast my bagel.
Shame on them. There's nothing fun to look at. So, you look at nothing. See you on the plane. All right, we're here.
We made it.
Long day. It's what, 3, almost 4 o'clock? I guess we're in Mountain Standard Time. 4:54 p.m. it says. So I guess we weirdness with daylight savings in Arizona. I don't know.
I have 7:26.
7:26 back where we're from. We're starving. We're on our way to our hotel. We'll check in with you there, but we have a sunroof.
I'm very excited about this.
So we have a sunroof in the minivan we got. Not a minivan, it's a SUV, mid-size SUV. So we're going to head towards the hotel, and Victoria's going to pick a place for us to eat on the way there, and we'll share that with you when we get there.
Ideally, Southwestern fare.
Southwestern fare, you would think. Why not? We'll see you there. I think where you had it, picking up part of the door.
Oh, okay.
So it's like 8:30 back home, and we've hardly eaten anything today. So there was no food on Southwest. We had some snacks. No food, no time to stop for food, really. We did get to the hotel and check in. We'll share that with you here in a little bit. But we popped into this nice local restaurant called Los Nopales. And we're going to get some food. We're going to split a large order of chicken nachos, and I'm going to get a burrito. Do you know what you're getting yet?
I don't know. I want maybe just like a little taco or a case.
They have all that. So Victoria's going to get something too, but we're starving. And we're going to get some food, and we'll show you what that is. And then we're going to go back to the Cat Mountain Lodge, which is amazing. I can't wait to share that with you.
Super cute.
Okay, so we're going to eat, and then we'll share that with you.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my God, look at this.
Yeah. Oh, this guac is good.
Good?
Really good.
So these are the chicken Los Nopales nachos.
The chips are so like light.
Outstanding. Simply perfect nachos. Okay, we'll be back when we get the rest of our food. What did you get?
Oh, I thought it was going to spit around. Sorry. I got a small shrimp quesadilla. Thank you so much. Oh, thank you.
I got a ground beef burrito with beans and rice. Can't wait.
Same.
Good?
Fresh. What should be crisp is crisp. What should be creamy is creamy.
Rice is tasty. Beans are tasty. Ground beef burrito. Super tasty. I have to say, in my opinion, it's probably some of the best Southwest food I've ever eaten. Ever. So, I say Los Nopales.
2 or 3 or 4 thumbs up.
Many thumbs as you can find.
I wish I had 10 thumbs so I could give it 10 thumbs up.
So how much did you enjoy our inn last night?
I'm at a loss for words. I loved the bed, the aesthetics, it felt so, I mean, there was like a TV in the room, you know, whatever. It felt so off the grid. It felt off the grid. And I'm babbling now because it was just loved it. What did you think of the shower?
The shower was nice. One of the things I thought was interesting in the bathroom was there was no differentiation between the floor and the shower and the bath, which makes it easy to clean. You just scrub the whole floor and clean it up. But I would say I love the quirkiness, the kitschiness of the place. Just so many cool things. And apparently they get it from this store here. We're in the cafe right now. We're in the Coyote Paws.
Paws, like
Pause.
That's funny.
And we got breakfast vouchers. It's a bed and breakfast. So we're going to get breakfast, and everything's so colorful, and just cool little things. And so they apparently get them from this Buffalo Trading Company.
Buffalo Exchange.
Thank you.
Guys, Deb is your server. She'll be with you momentarily.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And that's right out back here. This whole place is sort of like a cool little complex. It's all owned by the same person. There's 2 different lodges. They've even got a building where they do astronomy, where they've got a big telescope set up and they do astronomy sessions. And that's pretty pricey, but we didn't do that. But it's got the 2 inns, the cafe, the trading post, and there's little gift shop next door.
Kind of place.
Super cool little place, super out of the way, and the location's amazing. The view of that mountain is astounding. It really is. So, what do we have on tap for today? Today we're going to